Yeah, so that is a band that you're going to wear on your wrist, and it's going to really notify you when you're attending or not attending based on how it's set.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Flaghouse Sensory Channel. I'm your host Chris, and this week I'm here with Ilana Daneman, and we're looking at the Flaghouse Alert Kit, which is full of great items for keeping both the brain and the body aware.
Yes, so you'll see we have some cushions for movement. Let's say either sitting on the floor, sitting in a chair, or even like working in sort of like a developmental position on the floor. And then we have some more tactile things to wake the hands up, okay? As well as, and some of those is gonna be like heavy work, again, for increasing alertness.
Okay, and we also have some great things in here like the Ziggy Paws to the Koosh balls, just these really simple balls that have different tactile feels to them as well too.
Right, because depending on the texture and depending on the preference of the person, they are going to gravitate toward one texture or feel than another one.
Absolutely. Theraputty is always a good standby. We've got 4 different kinds that come in here. Now they have different colors, they have different scents, and they also have different densities.
That's right. So you've got all this sort of multi-sensory experience. They're also great for like preparing the hands, let's say to do handwriting or a fine motor activity afterwards, or for focusing, you know, so we can like make snakes out of them and turn them into letters, that kind of thing.
And we have a couple of other pieces in here, little fidgets, the timer, the mini time timer, and one of the most interesting pieces I think we have in here is the Revibe band.
Yeah, so that is a band that you're going to wear on your wrist, and it's going to really notify you when you're attending or not attending based on how it's set.
Perfect, so it gives you a little tap on the wrist just to be able to keep you on task, and it learns a little bit more about you each and every time you wear it, which is really neat.
And that makes it personal experience.
Perfect. So the Flaghouse Alert Kit, tons of great different products. We're going to put a link down in the description so you guys can check it all out. And hey, while you're there, make sure you hit the subscribe button. We always have a brand new video coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.